welcome back to Telleries. Today I'm going to make a pickle. It's a favorite at home. Everybody loves it at home, so I'm sure you guys will love it too. It's a beetroot, carrot and dates pickle. We're not going to cook this pickle and we're not going to use oil for this pickle. It's a very simple recipe and it goes with almost everything. You want to have it with roti, you want to have it with rice, you want to have it with biryani or ghee rice. It's one perfect pickle to go with all of these. So let's take a look at the ingredients first and then see the process. So here are our ingredients. I've taken dates, carrot, beetroot, garlic, green chilies, sugar, salt, asafoetida, a pinch of fenugreek powder, some yellow mustard seeds, Kashmiri chili powder and vinegar. And we also need a glass jar. So we have four main things to do here. Time consuming things, that's chopping the dates, grating the carrot, grating the beetroot and peeling the garlic. Once that's done, it's just a matter of mixing all of it together and keeping it aside. Let's first peel the garlic because this is what takes a lot of time. So we need approximately 1 cup of garlic peeled and sliced lengthwise. So here we have 3/4 cup of peeled garlic, which I will be slicing thin after this in long slices. A little bit of a time consuming process, but it's worth it. Now let's peel the carrot and the beetroot. Let's peel the carrot quickly. Now let's peel the beetroot. The carrot and beetroots have to be grated. Because I need 2 cups of grated beetroot. So if this is enough, then we'll go with just 2 beetroots. Otherwise, I'll take 1 more. We have 2 cups of tightly packed grated carrot. Now let's grate our beetroot. There's also 2 cups. Let's de-seed the dates one by one and chop them up. Wash the green chilies. I've taken 5 small, these are small green chilies, so I've taken 5 of them. Wash and pat them dry and then chop them into small pieces. And keep it aside. Make sure you wash your hands after chopping the green chilies. As you can see here, all our ingredients are ready. So we have vinegar, we have 3/4 cup of garlic, peeled and sliced, 2 cups of grated carrot, 2 cups of grated beetroot and chopped, de-seeded and chopped dates. I've taken 250 grams of dates here. And then we have the yellow mustard seeds, Kashmiri chili powder, salt, sugar, green chilies, fenugreek powder and asafoetida. So now let's start assembling. So this is the easiest process. So far it took quite a while to chop all of them and get them ready for the pickle. Now it's the easiest part. So let's first take, so this is a 700 ml vinegar here, a bottle of vinegar which is 700 ml. You can see here 700 ml. So I'm going to use 500 ml now approximately. Make sure your jar is completely dry. That should do for now. If need be, we can add more. Next, we add the garlic into it. Okay, so we've added the garlic, the peeled and sliced garlic into the vinegar. We'll keep it close for 2 to 3 minutes and then add the other ingredients one by one. After adding the garlic, we keep it close for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm opening it and let's add the carrot, the grated carrot. Open this again, add our beetroot, a grated beetroot. Immerse it well in the vinegar and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes again. So open it again and add our dates, chopped dates into it. Let's add our green chilies too. I've taken 5 small green chilies. Make sure you clean all these vegetables, wash all these vegetables and pat it dry. Shouldn't have any moisture on it. So immerse the dates very well in the vinegar and keep it closed for a couple of minutes now, and let's add the rest of the ingredients. We have 2 tablespoons of sugar, granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, a pinch of fenugreek powder. This is roasted fenugreek powder, very little, 1/8 teaspoon of fenugreek powder, and a pinch of asafoetida, just a little bit. Give it a good mix. You can see the carrot at the bottom, the carrot and the garlic at the bottom. So stir very well, mix it all up together. So after adding all those ingredients that you saw now, I've kept it closed for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add one of the most important ingredients in this pickle, which is the pickle powder. I'm using Eastern pickle powder here. So 2 tablespoons of this pickle powder. Finally, yellow mustard seeds. It's called Kadu Paripu. So you go to any of your supermarkets, you'll find this. It's split. It's not whole. It's split yellow mustard seeds. Okay, so this again I'll be using 2 tablespoons. So 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard seed. Split yellow mustard seeds. And then give a final stir. Our pickle is ready. So what you can do is the next day when you open it, taste it and see if it requires more salt, or if you like it more hot, you can add some more chili powder. For us, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder works just fine. And yeah, that's about it. So do give it a try and let me know in the comment section below how much you like it. I'm sure you will like it. Thank me later. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and click on the bell icon to get notifications on our upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.